Welcome back to Muhammad Organic, your home for integrated, sustainable farming. Today I am presenting to you the video animation of the 3D model of the 5-acre integrated organic farm complex in Bangladesh. This model represents a farm layout spread across 300 feet in width and 726 feet in length, totaling exactly 5 acres of organic, sustainable development. I'm really excited to share this with you because this isn't just a blueprint, it's a vision brought to life. Every element you'll see from the orchards and vegetable plots to the fish ponds, livestock zones, composting areas, and eco-friendly infrastructure has been designed to work together as one integrated, self-sustaining system. Let's begin the walkthrough of this 3D model and explore how each part of the farm connects to create a productive and environmentally responsible ecosystem. Main components of the project: farmhouse with a flower garden and integrated solar power system. Farm operations complex comprising the farm office, security post, solar-covered parking area and electrical control room. Raised bed vegetable gardens, hydroponic greenhouse and additional greenhouses. Mixed fruit orchard with intercrops and designated beekeeping zones. Tropical fruit and grain plots, along with a dedicated aloe vera garden. Pasture-based free-range chicken farm. Layer chicken farm using a battery cage system. Livestock farm for cows, sheep, and goats, with open grazing areas and a solar power backup. Fish pond with an integrated duck farming system and coconut trees lining the perimeter. Vermicompost facility and wastewater irrigation system for sustainable recycling. Ginger cultivation area and a greenway jogging track along the boundary. Staff housing equipped with a biogas plant. The project is built on 3 key principles: organic farming for healthy, chemical-free produce, integrated farming for maximum resource efficiency, multi-layer farming to make the most of every inch of land. Don't work hard, work smart. Start your farm right with a custom layout design. Get your farm layout designed before you start. Now, let's take a bird's eye view of the complete integrated organic farm project, full project at a glance. Here's how the integrated organic farm looks from the outside. This is the first impression, the view from beyond the boundary. As we enter the farm through the 20-foot wide main entrance road, the layout unfolds with purpose and harmony. To the right, you'll see the farmhouse, thoughtfully placed beside beautifully arranged raised bed vegetable gardens. These beds are not only productive, but also bring a burst of color and natural beauty to the entrance with their neatly organized, thriving crops. A greenway walking track passes through, flanked by a lush ginger garden that enhances the atmosphere with greenery and freshness. On the left, a security post, electric room, and the main office all housed within the farm operation building. The parking area, shaded by a structure of solar panels, provides a practical and eco-conscious solution for vehicles. Next, a seedling greenhouse supports nursery activities, and Greenway Park with a ginger garden continues the farm's welcoming and sustainable design. Now we arrive at the heart of the integrated organic farm, the farmhouse complex, where smart planning, natural beauty, and sustainable living come together seamlessly. At the center stands a thoughtfully designed duplex farmhouse, serving as both a cozy residence and the central coordination hub for the entire farm. It features an internal car parking area for secure and convenient access, while the roof is equipped with solar panels, generating renewable energy to reduce the farm's environmental footprint. A vibrant flower garden welcomes visitors at the front, adding charm and supporting essential pollinators for the surrounding crops. Directly in front of the complex runs a 20-foot wide main access road, ensuring smooth vehicle movement and linking the farmhouse to the rest of the farm zones. On the south and west sides of the farmhouse, an 8-foot wide walkway provides clear, comfortable pedestrian access between the house and the nearby garden areas, ideal for daily use and farm chores. Beyond this walkway to the south, there are 7 raised vegetable beds, each measuring 4 feet by 70 feet, where a range of organic produce is cultivated in nutrient-rich soil. To the west, 18 additional raised beds of 4 by 54 feet offer more growing space, neatly arranged for ease of access and maximum sunlight exposure. Beside the raised beds runs a greenway walking track, a peaceful and practical path for movement through the farm. Alongside it lies a ginger garden, combining aesthetic greenery with the production of a high-value medicinal and culinary crop. On the east side of the farmhouse, a 10-foot wide service road allows for efficient transport and daily access. Just across this road is the dragon fruit garden, with rows of upright trellises supporting vibrant, exotic fruit-bearing vines. And beyond that lies the mixed fruit garden, a large orchard area designed to yield seasonal fruits while enriching the biodiversity of the farm. Altogether, the farmhouse complex is much more than a living space, it's a well-integrated part of the working farm, built for comfort, productivity, and harmony with nature. Every detail, from the solar panels to the walkways, vegetable beds, and surrounding gardens, reflects a strong commitment to sustainable and self-reliant organic farming. Welcome to the heart of our integrated organic farm, a zone where thoughtful planning, sustainability, and modern cultivation practices all come together. This section forms the operational and protected cultivation hub, driving year-round productivity through innovation and efficiency. At the center is the farm operation building, where daily planning, monitoring, and farm coordination are carried out, ensuring smooth and smart farm management. Adjacent to it is the car park, shaded by a solar panel structure. This design provides both protection for vehicles and renewable energy to support nearby operations. The seedling greenhouse is where early plant growth begins under ideal conditions, producing healthy, strong seedlings for field and greenhouse planting. In the hydroponic fruit greenhouse, water-based systems grow fruits like strawberries and grapes using less water and no soil, while enabling year-round harvesting. Vegetable greenhouses ensure a steady, organic supply of fresh produce by shielding crops from pests and weather extremes. A dedicated leafy green greenhouse supports precision-grown crops like lettuce and spinach, producing high-quality greens through controlled climate and nutrients. Nearby, the aloe vera garden adds both medicinal value and biodiversity, offering natural wellness benefits and boosting the farm's crop diversity. On the west and north sides, a 4-foot wide greenway track surrounds the block, providing easy access for walking, farm mobility, and maintenance, while enhancing visual appeal and usability. Alongside the greenway runs a 2-foot wide ginger garden, a valuable companion crop that improves soil health and naturally deters pests, while offering strong market demand. Together, the greenway and ginger borders support both function and form, combining beauty, biodiversity, and farm productivity. This entire zone stands as the backbone of our modern, sustainable cultivation, blending infrastructure, green. Free range in harmony, the pasture-based chicken farm. Let's explore the pasture-based organic chicken farm, carefully designed to combine animal welfare, sustainability, and efficient land use. This area supports 1,000 free-range chickens, raised in a rotational paddock system that encourages natural behavior and promotes healthy soil. At the center is a 20 by 120 foot poultry shed, featuring 2 doors on each side, north and south, each opening into one of 4 spacious paddocks, each covering approximately 10,420 square feet. The chickens spend 5 days in each paddock, allowing for a 15-day rest and regrowth period before returning, ensuring both bird health and pasture recovery. Moringa trees are planted throughout the paddocks, offering natural shade and added nutritional value. An 8-foot wide access road leads directly to the shed, allowing smooth movement of feed and farm staff. Encircling the shed and azolla tanks is a 4-foot wide walkway, providing easy access for daily monitoring and care. At both ends of the shed are azolla tanks, each measuring 16 by 20 feet and protected with green netting. These tanks supply a sustainable, protein-rich supplement to the chicken's diet. This integrated system ensures a productive, eco-friendly, and humane approach to poultry farming. A tapestry of crops, the mixed cultivation block. As we move beyond the central farmhouse, we arrive at one of the most vibrant and diverse sections of the farm, the mixed cultivation block, thoughtfully designed to produce a wide variety of crops while maintaining ecological balance and maximizing land use. First, right beside the farmhouse, is the dragon fruit garden. Here, tall trellises support climbing cactus vines that bear bright, nutritious fruits requiring little water yet offering high returns. Their structured form adds a unique aesthetic to this productive corner. Next, the landscape opens into the sunflower garden, where golden blooms sway under the sun. These radiant flowers do more than add beauty, they attract essential pollinators, supporting the health of the entire farm ecosystem. Continuing forward, we enter the Madge field, planted in strong rows. Madge not only provides a staple food crop, but also acts as a natural windbreak, protecting more delicate crops nearby. Alongside it is the soybean field, rich with leafy growth and deep roots that fix nitrogen in the soil. These legumes are vital for maintaining soil fertility and offer valuable protein for feed and food. The path then leads us into the cassava garden, home to hardy, high-yield plants that thrive even in drier conditions. With its large roots and resilient nature, cassava is a cornerstone of food security in tropical climates. Further ahead, we step into the papaya garden, filled with slender trunks and lush crowns of fruit. Papayas mature quickly and produce abundantly, making them a favorite in mixed cropping systems. Next to the papayas stands the plantain garden, with tall, thick-stemmed plants that produce large bunches of energy-rich fruit ideal for local consumption and market sale. And finally, we reach the banana garden, where broad leaves create dense shade and rich organic matter. Bananas flourish here, providing both fresh fruit and essential. Mixed fruit garden, a harmonious orchard of diversity. Covering an area of 61 by 351 feet, this thoughtfully designed mixed fruit garden is a prime example of space-efficient, sustainable agriculture integrating trees, intercropping, and biodiversity in perfect harmony. A 4-foot setback surrounds the entire garden, ensuring airflow, access, and neat separation from surrounding zones. At its core, the garden features 5 main fruit varieties, each planted in 3 rows of 3 trees, totaling 9 trees per variety and 45 fruit trees altogether. Avocado, apple, mandarin, mango, pomegranate. With 26 feet spacing north, south, and 24 feet east-west, each tree gets ample sunlight and root space for optimal growth. The ground space between these trees is smartly utilized through intercropping, adding diversity and yield. 14 turmeric blocks, each 14 feet wide by 61 feet long, stretch east-west, thriving in the partial shade beneath the fruit canopy. Nestled between the fruit tree rows are 28 pineapple blocks, each 8 feet wide by 11 feet long. Arranged in a 2-row by 14 column layout, every block contains 20 pineapple plants, contributing up to 560 plants total and enhancing productivity without crowding the trees. On the north side, a 10-foot wide road provides operational access across the garden's length. To the south, a greenway track invites walkers through a scenic agricultural landscape. On the west, beyond another 10-foot wide road, lies the fish pond, acting as a water source, biodiversity hub, and visual feature. On the east, past a similar 10-foot road, are the raised bed gardens, supporting intensive leafy green and vegetable production. Finally, the garden is home to 3 dedicated beekeeping zones to support pollination and honey harvesting, tying together productivity, ecology, and sustainability. This garden is more than a growing space, it's a living system where thoughtful design meets functional beauty, yielding food, income, and environmental. Welcome to the Aquatic and Livestock Integration Zone, a thoughtfully designed 135 by 132.5 foot block where nature, efficiency, and sustainability come together. About half of this zone is a 60 by 132.5 foot fish pond, a key area for sustainable aquaculture. Above the water, a 15 by 40 foot elevated duck shed houses up to 300 ducks, creating a natural synergy between fish and poultry farming. Surrounding the pond, 18 dwarf coconut trees line the perimeter, adding beauty, shade, and future harvest value. The pond's sloped edges are covered with grass, serving both as erosion control and grass for animals. To the east of the pond, two large storage buildings, each 30 by 72 feet, provide essential space for feed, tools, and equipment. Behind these structures lies a 2,209 square foot grassy field supplying the fresh grass to the farm animal. A dedicated borehole, pump station, and a 15 by 38 foot reservoir form the heart of the water supply system for this block. Staff members are accommodated in a comfortable 16 by 36 foot house located within easy reach of all key areas. And completing the loop of sustainability, a biogas plant transforms organic waste into clean energy for the farm's use. This integrated setup supports not just food production, but also self-reliance, ecological balance, and efficient farm management. Next, we move to the sheep and goat farming block, a well-planned 135 by 132.5 foot zone dedicated to small ruminant livestock. It's located just north of the aquatic and livestock integration zone and right beside the pasture chicken farm. Along the northern boundary, a greenway walking track runs beside a ginger garden, while a 10-foot wide access road lines the eastern side. Two elevated sheds, each measuring 20 by 50 feet, are placed on the northern edge designed to house up to 100 sheep and 80 goats. These sheds are raised for hygiene and ventilation, and each rooftop is equipped with solar panels to power operations. Between the sheds lies an Azolla tank, an eco-friendly fodder source, along with a wastewater reservoir that doubles as an irrigation water tank, connected to a dedicated pump station. Behind the sheds is a 3-foot buffer zone for maintenance access, and in front, a 6-foot open space leads to two fenced grazing yards, each 6,700 square feet. One yard is for sheep, the other for goats, promoting organized rotational grazing. This setup reflects sustainable livestock management, combining clean energy, smart housing, and efficient resource use for optimal animal welfare and farm productivity. Welcome to our next block, the layer poultry block, occupying a 132.5 by 80 foot area in the northeast corner of the integrated organic farm. This efficient zone is designed around the battery cage system to house 1,000 layer chickens across two sheds. Each shed measures 30 by 80 feet and holds 500 birds. Shed 1 is located along the southern edge, facing south and directly accessible via a 10-foot wide road. Shed 2 stands on the northern edge, with a 3-foot rear setback and also faces south, opening to a 6-foot internal road connecting the 10 East Road. Both sheds feature 2 entry doors and are topped with solar panels, supplying clean energy for operations like lighting and ventilation. Surrounding the sheds, greenway tracks and ginger gardens along the northern and eastern edges add both function and natural beauty. Between the two sheds is a 4,100 square foot grass field, grown exclusively to supply fresh fodder for the farm's livestock animals. Just east of the field and between the sheds is a 15 by 42.5 foot Azolla tank used for producing high-protein green feed, alongside a 15 by 24 foot wastewater reservoir and pump station, part of the farm's integrated water management system. This poultry block reflects the farm's focus on sustainable production, efficient layout, and thoughtful resource use, all within a compact, well-designed space. Welcome to the Integrated Dairy and Fodder Block, located in the southeast corner of the farm, covering an area of 80 by 132.5 feet. At the center of this block stands a 26 by 72 foot cow shed, oriented east to west, with a 4-foot setback on both the eastern and western sides. To the north of the shed is a 45 by 72 foot open area where cows can roam and rest under shade trees within a fenced and secure environment. South of the shed lies a 3,117 square foot grass field, cultivated as a steady source of fresh green fodder for the livestock. In the southeast corner, a 20 by 50 foot vermicompost plant transforms organic waste into nutrient-rich compost for the farm. Beside it sits a 15 by 20 foot wastewater and irrigation tank, equipped with a pump to support efficient water reuse. The block is bordered by the farm's signature greenway track and ginger garden along the south and east, blending productivity with visual appeal. This zone completes the farm's cycle, combining livestock care, fodder cultivation, and organic resource recycling in one integrated space.